హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం అసిస్టెంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ఇంజనీర్ సంబంధించిన ఎంసీక్యూస్ చేద్దాం యాజ్ పర్ ద సిలబస్. అండ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ మచ్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ సివిల్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ మెకానికల్ candidates. Right. First question is, and the subject is about strength of materials. Right. What is the maximum shear stress, shear force when a cantilever beam is loaded with UDL throughout? What is the maximum shear force when a cantilever beam is loaded with UDL throughout? And the answer is option A, W into L, width into length. Next question. Dash is a curve formed due to bending of overhanging beams. So dash is a curve formed due to bending of overhanging beams. That is nothing but elastic curve. Elastic curve is formed due to bending of any beam. It can be overhanging beam or cantilever beam. The curve formed is elastic curve. Next one. The maximum dash stresses occur at the topmost fiber of a simply supported beam. The maximum compressive stresses occur at the most fiber of a at the topmost fiber of a simply supported beam. Next question. The curvature of a beam is equal to, it is given by M by EI. M by EI, M means moment and E is the Young's modulus, I is the moment of inertia. Right. Next one. Skin stress is also called as, skin stress is nothing but, it is also called as bending stress. Other name for skin stress is bending stress. Next one. In cantilever beams, there is dash stress above the neutral axis. In cantilever beam, there is tensile stress. Cantilever beam, there is tensile stress above the neutral axis. Next question. Which of these are types of normal stresses? Which of these are types of normal stresses? Normal stresses are nothing but tensile and compressive stresses. Tensile and compressive stresses are the types of normal stresses. Next question. What is the formula for shear stress? Formula for shear stress is shear resistance per shear area. Shear resistance per shear area. Shear stress formula is. Next one. The maximum deflection of cantilever beam of a length L with a point load W at the free end. I'll repeat the question. The maximum deflection of cantilever beam of length L with a point load at the free end. It is given by WL cube by 3EI. WL cube by 3EI. W is nothing but the weight, L is the length, E is the Young's modulus and I is the moment of inertia. The maximum deflection of cantilever beam of length with a point load at the free end is given by WL cube by 3EI. Next question. Elastic line is also called as what? Elastic line, it is also called as deflection curve. Elastic line is also called as deflection curve. Next question. In a simply supported beam, the slope is dash at the supports. Right. In a simply supported beam, the slope is maximum at the supports. The slope is maximum at the supports. Next question. In a simply supported beam, deflection is maximum at the mid-span. It is maximum at the mid-span. Deflection is maximum at the mid-span. Next question. A simply supported beam of span L as shown in the figure is subjected to a concentrated load at its meter span and also to a uniformly distributed load. What is the total diffraction in its midpoint? Total diffraction is nothing but what is the total deflection. It is the beam is undergoing uniformly distributed load as well as the point load. And the answer is, it is 13 WL cube by 384 EI. 13 WL cube by 384 EI. So that is the answer. When a simply supported beam is undergoing uniformly distributed load along with the point load, the deflection is 13 WL cube by 384 EI. Option B is the right answer. Next question. The ratio of maximum deflection of a beam to its dash is called stiffness of the beam. Right. Stiffness is nothing but is given by deflection of beam to the span, to its span. Ratio of maximum deflection of a beam to its span is called stiffness of the beam. Next question. What is the unit of deflection? It is nothing but meters. Option D is the right answer, meters. Next, the law which states that within an elastic limit, strain produced is proportional to the stress producing in it. It is nothing but it is according to the Hooke's law. According to the Hooke's law, stress is directly proportional to strain within the elastic limit. That is option B is the right answer. Next question. The neutral axis of the cross section of a beam is that axis at which bending stress is what? The neutral axis of the cross section of a beam, that axis at which the bending stress is 0. That is option A is the right answer. 0 when the bending stress is 0, where the bending stress is 0. A steel bar of 5 mm is heated from 15 degrees to 40 degrees and it is free to expand. What is the, what kind of stress is induced in the bar? Right, in this question it is clearly said that it is free to expand. It is being heated and it is free to expand. When it is free to expand, there are no stresses developed in the bar. So therefore our option is, right answer is option A. No stresses are developed in the bar because it is free to expand. Option A is the right answer. Next one. For a simply supported beam with a central load, the bending moment is maximum at the center. The bending moment is maximum at the center. Option D is the right answer. Right. So these are the questions from strength of materials, very much one of the most important subjects for AEE as per the syllabus. Right. That's all for this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Right. Thank you.